Yeah, welcome. So Canara Bank is a good short for this month. Please do confirm the time frame uh, so that we'll look the Canara Bank. For short, he may be asking the future, so I'll directly go to the chart of Canara Bank. Not able to go for the chart is not visible, so we'll go for the cash chart of Canara Bank. Firstly to the daily chart. There's a two possibilities here. If I consider this as like 1 and 2, this will be like a 3 and 4, and this will be the 5. Or is the one more possibility, if this is the 1 and 2, this is 3 and 4, maybe we are heading towards the 5. So in this scenario, the fifth year possibilities cannot be ruled out. So here I'll be wait better. If I want to go short, I'll be going only below the 153. Below 153, can only sell. Otherwise, we can wait for 1 up, because this will be doing this 1 and a small 2, like simple ABC kind of a structure. We may head towards the upside. We want Tata Motors and Tata Chemicals and Tata Power, Mega Mini Organics long term. Okay, Prasad, I will do that. Tata Motors. Here it has given some confirmation, so here we are going to stay in a buy. At least if this is the A, B and C. So this can go up to the level of 80%, may go sideways or something, but I'll be keeping eye for, I'll be looking buy in case of Tata Motors for at least 80% of the total move. 80%, that will be for 477 or something, or 61% minimum will be 398. So I won't be selling in case of Tata Motors. I would like to buy in case of Tata Motors. Okay. Hi Kamal. So we'll be next looking the Tata Power. If you have any query, you can ask. Like we will be, if there is no query, we'll be discussing the Nifty and Bank Nifty 1 minute chart or something.
Okay. the granules and Syngin.
Okay, fine. So I'll be looking at that. So in the Tata Power also there is a buy. So earlier we were in the buy for at least like uh, here the structure which was earlier making was the ending diagonal. So there we got this Tata Power actually from the level of maybe 30 or 40. Now it is almost 107. Still it is a potential to go upside. So I'll be adding the channel for this at least to the 80% if it is making any complex correction. So let's take that as 80% and visually it is near 61%. So there is a chance it will be going for the 146 into the 174.
Okay.
So you said a granules, right? So
Yeah,
what is the time frame you want to see?
daily time frame.
Going in a good way. So no need to worry. Maybe at this particular level we were discussed earlier, maybe in the group or in the live session when we were discussing this is like a neutral triangle. It might go on up. So here you can stay in a buy. There is no sell as of now. This is like one more channel here. The second I'll be adding from this to this, but this is not a confirmed one because it may come little bit downside. At the end, it has given some confirmation for the buy.
Okay.
Short term, we can stay in a buy keeping the stop loss of this or some points downside, maybe 314 or 312. We can keep as a stop loss. We'll be looking for the one opportunity for the buy. So we can do that. And for the confirmation, you need to wait for this. 369 will be the confirmation. So once it crosses the 340, 316 or something, it will be heading towards the upside of 512 or 535. If it is like a correction, let's
Okay.
take this as like A and this whole correction as a B, it may go for the downside. But for that, it needs to close below 312 or 316. But after that also, it will be going to go for 1 hour. That is there.
Okay.
Chances are there.
Mhm.
If I see this correction uh, from here, it might be started from here. It is like a 80% of the correction. But the alternative to this, if I start with this also, it will be like a near 61% of above the 61%. So most of the time, if it is a 80, the next correction will be lesser one. So lesser one, I will be taking this as like at least above 61.8% it needs to stay because this correction earlier was a 80%, 80% correction, but here we won't be getting 80% correction. So at least above this it will be going to stay. But very short term, if I see the chart here, it has given the some confirmation here on the buying side. Because if I see with the
Okay.
touch points, we follow these systems like here, it has given a confirmation, not closed above that, but at least it manages to close above that in lesser time frame. So if I go to the early confirmation, right? Here this is the downside. What that means is it has taken like this time, half time is this, and in lesser than that, it tried to cross at least.
Of course. Yeah.
So we have still this much time, that is for 23 March. If like we are able to cross this once again, so we'll be heading towards the upside. So visually, you can say this is the 61% or near 80%, 80%, and maybe the 61% that we can keep for the very short term. Like 80% will be 4 and 392 will be the 61 point. So there we can keep target, keeping the stop loss of course. Because the overall structure is for the ABC only. One here it's a 2, this is a 3. So this is A, might be the B, and this is a C, whatever the structure it has happened. So after that, if it crosses this level, it will be going to go for the 80%. So that there it will be making the structure that of the flag A, B, and C. It will be for the 80%. One more you told, CG,
Syngen, SYN,
SYN.
SGNE. That international, yeah, that is the first one.
So the Ali chart. So I haven't seen this chart earlier, so I'll be going to the weekly first. Nice. So earlier it was some flat correction. Maybe this is fine in this chart. 261%. This might be the third wave. So this is 1, 2. It might be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So here we might getting some correction and then upside. This is a weekly, so we'll go for the daily chart. So until and unless it crosses this channel, we won't be looking for the buy structure here.
Okay.
So we may get like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 here, or at least this is a 1, 2, this is third, and 4, and 1 more 5. We may.
Mhm.
So here there is no buying opportunity as of now in the case of Syngenta. But overall structure, if I
Okay.
take, so we'll go for the log scale and for the monthly chart. So it has some potential to go upside. That is for the sure. Like this is 1 and 2, this is 3 and 4. We may get some correction before it can go any further up. So here you may get 1 and 2. This may be third or third of any possibility. So it can go even for that high for third. But you need to wait for this correction to end. Maybe to the level of 496 or odd numbers or 400 change you may be getting. Correction ends, we will be looking for the buy.
Okay.
Because you need to wait for this, at least this gap to fill.
Oh, that gap will get filled. Okay.
So that time we might get the one more. So that is a good sign. So it might be the part of the third wave. For example, it's like thirds 1, 2, thirds 3, 4, thirds fifth wave. So after that, we'll be getting one more long correction. As it is a flat, this was a flat correction. Or if it takes the fifth also, this is a flat. So there we might be getting a zigzag after this. Means the correction will be a little longer compared to this.
Okay.
This is a shorter correction. Maybe 325 to 218 means 100 rupees correction. But here we might get some longer correction, maybe to the level of 780 or 750 again. So there one more time you will be getting one up. So for very longer time, if you're looking, you can buy. Wait.
Yeah. Actually, I'm holding it like, so I was just checking like, how it will. So it came down. So we'll continue to hold if there is a
You can do the average.
further like,
Yeah. You can do average here and here.
okay.
That will be good. So again, you will be getting this. So one more, someone has asked. Tata Power and Mega Money Holdings. So again, as we discussed here, like A, B, and C, this will be going for the 80%. 61% is this, and 80% is this. So we'll be going to go for the upside only. This is like this. After this correction, we may be started from here or here, 1, 2, 3, 4, or some correction. Very long term. And go for weekly chart. If it is doing the complex correction also, that's fine. But we'll be getting one more up or directly to the upside. 5 minutes. Minutes. Again looking like ABC, so it will be going to go for 80%. So here, yeah, it is near 80% now. So until and unless it crosses this level or this channel, we won't be looking for the sell. So we may be heading towards one up before it can go any further down. This overall structure is like that. 50,350 maybe getting in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's a 5 minutes. It was still like lower time frames. 1 minute. So very short term, I can consider this. As here it's a slower form of correction, so it is going faster. I'll be adding the time here. So before that, if it is crossing, then fine. If not, so we'll be looking one more point. So there is a chance like it is a slower one. It will come here and do the A, B, and C kind, then move. So here one more channel will be this. Right. So we'll be waiting for this, and after this the channel will be changing from this angle to this. So we'll watch how it behaves here. I think there is no chance to go very much downside. So maybe somewhere around 15,150 or 145 can be possible in case of Nifty here. So I'll be adding this channel first. If I combine with the Ichimoku, let's see. It is in the green zone. So maybe to the level of this, or from here it may reverse. But for that, I need a confirmation, like it needs to break in a lesser time. So if it is anywhere breaking the line in lesser time, so we'll be looking for the buy. Still, if you want to go like a very short term, then go for this. Like once it crosses this trend line, we will be going for the buy, keeping the stop loss of downside. So here we can say keep the stop loss of this, buy from this for this. So we'll be just watching it how it behaves there. Hi, welcome. So he'll be watching how it behaves. It may be like a 1, 2, 3, or it might be the part of ABC completed or the part of the correction. After that, it will be going. If it is in lesser time, if it breaks, then we'll be considered this as a something ended here, a new thing has started. Future chart, right? So I may buy some. Nifty. Tradable. So I'll go for the Nifty future and we'll buy with some paper. So here in very short time it has broken this trend line. So I'll be keeping the stop loss this and be trading for this, that is 15 to 24 or something. So buy, edit, 15 to 30. If you have any other charts to look, or you can ask me so that I'll be looking those charts. This is an important trend line. If it crosses, then that is a good sign. It will be heading towards the upside, maybe to the level of this, the 80%. Here we may get like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then up. So what Bank Nifty says, we'll take one more chart. One second.
और लिखी मारता है
So in case of Bank Nifty, so it may take some correction also. There is a possibility, but it has to cross this line. If it crosses this, it will be going to 1 up. Right? So here it may face a resistance, or it might like do this, or down, down and down. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll be watching how it behaves here. Downside first or sideways. In case of Nifty, it is struggling. So it might come a little bit down before it can go any further up, because here if you see the candles, the pull for the downside is a little bit higher, right? The pulling the price to the downside is a little bit high. If it is taking more time, like this A, and if it is taking more and more time, so there is a possibility one down and up. Okay, if it is crossing in lesser time, that is a good sign. And from the longest one, so we'll be keeping this. So here it has crossed this line, but time wise, it is not. Yeah, as we're expecting, right? So anywhere if it is crossing this level in lesser time, so we'll be heading towards one down. So how about other charts? Means what are the top 10, or we'll keep that. So here we'll be looking the highest and lowest. Top 5 we will be looking. So it's a daily. Oh, Reliance Infra, 9% up. Fine, well and fine. But overall structure is for the downside. Very low. So here it might, but because if I see end here, this is the faster one. Maybe do this. May go to the 80%. It is a channel stock. This is a slower one, so we may get one sell before it can go any further up, structure wise. SRT Transport, upside. Equitas may face the resistance here. Ichamota, until and unless it crosses this trend line, we will be staying in a buy. Top 5 losers means 24 rupees I won't consider, so directly I will be going above 700 or something. Above 100 rupees stocks instead. Here it make the structure that of the triangle, so it is a slower one, it's a fast one. Again it's a slow one. So we may get one more. So down and then up. ONGC. Stay in a buy only. It will be going to go for 1 hour. If it corrects also, it will be UPL. Chennai Petrol, IDFC, and CAT is looking good because if I'm see here, it's a ABC kind of structure, right? One more correction. So after that, it might be heading towards upside again. As you see the confirmation here, if I see in a lower time frames, maybe in a 15 minutes or something, so we would take a buy here as it crosses this level, trying to cross. But as soon as it crosses again high level, that is a 1597, we can look for the buy for 1634 and 1683 because it's a slower form of correction to the downside and it suddenly spiked up. So there is a chance if it crosses once again to the level of 1597, so we'll be heading towards upside. Maybe to this top. Okay. So anything else you want me to look? Shall we end the session? Is that fine? Shall we end the session?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Shilpa ji?
Thank you.